project shape. We're going to continue to our second part of the tutorial how to create a Graze website. Last time we concluded the header section of the website. As you can see from the design that we've done here, this is what we have. We have the logo, the link here, and we have the button. And on mouse hover, the button is changing to green and this changed to blue. Yes, so we have similar exact copy like that. So next on the list is for us to create the banner. So how do we get this image? Like we did before, we just need to right click, go to inspect, click this little arrow and select this section. If you look down here, you'll see the link for the image. So we just copy that. Let's go to our browser. Let's remove the bracket, and yep, so we have this now. So what we need to do is to save this copy. Let's save this copy and put it here. Yeah, so next thing we need to do is to go back to the Graze website so we can look at the height we're going to give our image. So it's 680. So let's go back here and drag an image here which is 680. So it's 680. Like I said, we're not going to focus on the height, we're just going to focus only on the width of the image. Let's make this 0 and let's send it to back here. So what we need to do, as we did before, we need to convert this to dynamic panel. We need to make it 100% width. Remove it from fit to content. Let's save this. So what we need to name this dynamic panel. Let's say banner. Home page. Home page banner. Yeah. So we can remember the name next time we want to use it. So what we need to do next is come here and then we can make the horizontal alignment centralize, repeat and say cover, and then we import our back image and we look for the image we download, the banner image, and then we use it. Now it's saying optimize. Sometimes I don't like to optimize because I just prefer to leave it. I want the image to be very clear for me to see properly. So I will say no. Now you realize that this image is still showing. That is because we use it as the back image. So what we need to do to see that image, we can probably let's remove this and you can see that image is there. The reason why I like to put an image to actually know the length and everything is because when we start adding this text, I want everything to be centralized. So yeah, for now let's remove it and let's save it. Let's go back to the home screen. It's fit to 100%. Yep. So let us refresh now. As you can see, we've refreshed and this is the banner. Looks similar. If we close this and we compare it to this, yeah, it's not bad. You know, what we've achieved using Axure is not bad. So if you have nice banner image that has been designed for your website, so you can actually utilize this concept, and you can see it's 100%. So even if I reduce the browser size, it's still going to fit the page. Yeah, although we are not focusing on the responsive design yet, but if you look at Graze website, yeah, it's responsive, but we're not focusing on responsive for now. We're just focusing on doing the website yet. So next thing we need to do is to get our button and this text here. So same thing again, right click, inspect, go back here, and let's see the length of the size of the button. The size of the button is I'll just give it 240 by 65. Yeah, I'll give it 240 65 240 65. Oh, let's say 235 60. Yeah, that looks okay. Same thing, let's remove the border. Okay, they've got border here, so let's leave the border here, and let's make the border color white. The button color they used, let's see the button color they use. On the button color used is the button color used is this. Let's go for this here. The button color used is this. So let's go back to Axure and change the button color to this. Yeah, looks okay. And what again can we get from here? Apparently font size is 24, so let's use font size 24. I like this font style, and let's change it to white. Get started now, that is the text. So let's say get started now. Is that what I wrote there? Now. And yeah, and they have this icon. Let's see if we can get similar icon in Font Awesome. Alright, let's use this icon and let's change this to white. Let's make it a bit bold. Change it to 25 and let's bold this. No, it's not bolded. Let's see. Okay, and yeah, white. Yeah, so looks like the, so let's make it, yeah, bigger again. Yep, this looks okay now. So what we need to do is grab this text, have a special code, enter here. So let's go back to our normal library. Let's change the font as well. And then let's make this 16. Let's not make it bold. Let's make sure it's centralized. Let's make it 17. So let's try and see if we can get this icon. Let's see if we can get similar in 4000. Yeah, we've got this tag now, so let's bring it here and let's change this to 17, the size. Let's change it to white and let's put it beside this one as well. So let's see. Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's outside the other one. So yeah, let's group this and then let's centralize this. Once we've done that, we can close it. So, no, something is wrong. Yeah, we need to group this with the icon here. So centralize, yep. And what we need to do is centralize, yep, and also put it center. Yeah, so it comes like that. So let's preview what we've done and let's see what we've achieved. Okay, it's going to center. Yeah, what we need to do is to make sure this section is to browser, and let's, yeah. So now you see what we've done. We've done this. I think let's increase the size of this, have a special code a little bit. Probably let's make it 20. Let's make it 20 and let's make this 20 as well. And yeah, let's ungroup this, center it again, and make sure everything is centralized. Yeah, so let's preview it one more time. Yeah, as you can see now, we've kind of recreate the banner area. Let's see if we can get his text down here. Just got interesting. Let's see if we can get it. Yeah, let's put it somewhere here. Let's see where they put that. Yeah, let's put it somewhere. First of all, let's check the height, the size of the text itself. #51 font size. The color is this, so let's grab this color code. And 51. Yeah, I would prefer this link. So I think we need to make it a bit bolder. Do it? Yep. Just got interesting, so let's make this smaller, maybe. Yep. So let's put it there. Yep. So this is what we need to do. Let's make this centralized a bit, and let's make it no. All right, let's leave it the way it is, like this. Okay, so now let's preview it. And you can see we have 90% similar. Yeah, I saw this thing as well. Scroll down for more information. Yeah, we can decide to grab this as well if we want to. Let's grab this and let's save it, and let's look at this side. 148.70. Let's go back to icon. 148.70. 148.70, and let's grab the. Can I just put it there? Yep. Let's preview it under this bowl. Let's see if it's under that bowl. Yeah. Let's preview it. It doesn't really matter where it is. Let's preview how it looks like now. Okay. So what we need to do is to make sure that we yes, so you see what we've done. We've make sure everything looks okay now. What we can do, we can actually bring this back to its position and then make this go back to center. We can leave this in corner here. Because of the image, we might just need to stick this here like that. So let's preview it. Yeah. So we have this now. Actually, let's just leave it where it is. Here. So, I think we've done this banner now, so which is okay. So the next thing we need to do is this second banner here. The second banner, the height is 382, so let's go back to Axure, and let's get this image. Now let's get this rectangle shape, and 382. Let's go back to 382. Yeah. So what we're going to do next will be to, let's see how we can get this, if this is a background image or, alright, it looks like a background image. So same as well, let's grab the URL here. Let's go to our browser, remove the bracket. No. I don't think he's an image. I think there's a back color. So let's get his back color for what we want to do. Copy that, and we can come here. Yes. So what we need to do is to remove the border. Let's come here. Makes this dynamic panel. Let's say second layer. So what we need to do is to copy this, go to paint, new, and save this second layer. Save that, go back to Axure, and we align this to vertical, make the center, and then come back here and import it. Yep, save it. So let's look at it now, and if we say 100% white, let's go back to our prototype preview. Yeah, so we've done this. So if we want, we could add shadow, but I don't like that shadow. Let's see how it looks if we kind of want to add shadow to it. I think maybe we should forget about the shadow. I don't like it either. So yeah, next thing for us to do is to get these three images, and let's look at the size. 210 by 150, same thing all together, 210 150. So let's come here, 210 150. So align them together. Let's group them and put it center. Yep. So let's ungroup them now for now. So alright, where is this image? can get this image. I'm not even sure if, all right. Alright, then we can get this. Alright, another way for us to get this image is this. Let's us use where's our, let's grab this image now. Let's grab this image. I'm going to grab this image from here. Let's grab this image. No, let me grab it one after the other. Alright, let's grab this one. Let's save it here. Let's grab this second one. And let's save it here again, and then let's grab the third one. Let's grab the third one. Yep, let's save this again. Alright, so let's go back to Axure and let's get each of these images. Let's put this here. Nah, let's put this here. Nah, and let's put this here. Alright, so we have these 3 images. If we go back to the website, let's preview it again. Alright, cool, it's getting there. So next thing is for us to, let's grab this text. Let's grab this text. Alright, how it works, let's copy this out and let's put it here. What's the size of the, how it works? Let's go back to inspect. This is the color. Font size is 36. And I think we need to bold it. Let's change the font style a bit. Alright, so tell us the snack you fancy. Let's put this here. We've unpicked for you. Let's duplicate this and put this here. next is and send and out in the box to you. So let's make this, duplicate this, and let's copy it here. Alright, so what we need to do next is to get this, put this here, and then come here, cut this, put this, duplicate, cut this, alright, so let's see the color they use for this one. This is the color used, so we just grab that color and highlight everything and come here. Is that a color? Let me see. Doesn't look like it. Okay, let's say the one closer to it. I think this one kind of look closer. Yeah, and we could, let's just one a bit lighter. Yeah, this one looks closer. Let's make this 16. What's the font size anyway? Let's check. Font size is 14. Yeah, but I'll just make it 16 because this font style will shrink it a bit. Yeah. Oh yeah, I can make it 15. So we have that now. So let's go back to it. And what's the font size of this one? The font size of this one is 18. So let's come here and make this 18. Let's make this a bit yeah, or a little bit lighter. Let's make a this, yeah. Okay, this looks okay now, so let's arrange them properly. Let's arrange them properly, format them. Yeah, let's group them here. Before we do that, let's ungroup it here first. Let's arrange this properly. Okay, so let's centralize this one and let's group them together now. Come here, centralize these, group them. Let's remove this and put them back inside this section. So let's come back up here. Yeah, close this, come back here, save. So let's preview what we've done now. As you can see, it's looking kind of exactly the same, which is nice. Yep, looking exactly the same. Oh, there's one image we miss here. This image, okay, we need to copy this image. We need to put it beside. Let's save this image. What's the 189, 188? Let's group this. Yep. So let's preview this now. Yeah. Okay. The next tutorial we're going to do will be to create this section here and this interactive section where you have this. So stay tuned and thank you for watching. Bye.